I've been wanting to try this place for so long, but there's always a really long line, and we decided to wait in it, but it was totally worth it. It was actually really fast. I came with my friend Ramon and we got lattes. The lattes were actually really good, and of course I got 3 different ones. I had to try them all. What were shots for what?
Your ID, like when you post it.
You watched it?
This POV's crazy.
After that, I went home and worked for a bit. I prepped some brown butter and I messed up, but yeah, it happens. But the big baking happened the next day because I was actually going to a cookie exchange, which is a first. I've never done that before. And I was also prepping some cookies for my cousin's friend's birthday that I was going to later. I got this recipe for tahini chocolate chip cookies from Hummingbird High. I love her blog. I've done a bunch of recipes from there, and it actually uses no eggs. Rolling cookies is my least favorite part, so I always do it in front of the TV, and I was watching this YouTube video, which was actually so good. He goes into depth about like the concept of cannibals, and also he cites articles, so it's very well done. Honestly, I'm a little embarrassed about the oatmeal cookie. They tasted good, but I don't know what I did wrong. I really went wrong because they look absolutely not like the photos, so I'm so sorry to Cloudy Kitchen, but I will retry. Off to the cookie exchange, and I dragged Ramon again because he lives so close, why not? And I was also at a record store in Highland Park. I think I was a little nervous going in just because new thing, but everyone's cookies were so good. There were so many people. I got to make new friends who invited me to do this new cookbook club, so that's exciting. But my favorite cookie was definitely the miso orange sandwich, and that actually won first place. Afterwards, we walked into the store next door, and then we were hungry and got VS tacos, which are like the best. Probably like more gourmet-y side of street tacos.
How's your consomme?
I haven't tried it. I'm trying it.
Bad. Get
On her opening night in LA.
But then I headed with my cousin to Anaheim, which took so long, but this juggler was so cool. I hadn't seen it before, but it's a common thing at the border. The brewery we're supposed to go to was so insanely packed. We parked so far, like across the way was the brewery, so we left. Instead, we went to Green Cheek Beer Company, and it was very different vibes, much more chill, but it had enough space for us, and we were definitely the loudest people there. I usually don't go for a seltzer, but the seltzers were really good.
Just YouTube.
Pizza was also great. And happy birthday to Humberto. It was fun, chill to hang out with my cousin and her friends. We left to get tacos los cholos, which is in the area and on a bunch of the top taco lists. Look, this was in the parking lot. Like, so too good. Too good.
Get to like the
The line was so long, but it actually moved so quickly. It took us 30 minutes from all the way out on the street, and then we just waited for another 30 minutes. Okay, and our final review is we'd definitely come if we were in the area. We got the ribeye tacos, which are like the premium ones. The asada was a no-go for us. The adobado was super good, and same with the pork belly.
I know,
Today's a slower day. Spring happened 3 days ago. Spring cleaning needs to happen. Our room's messy. I think my room got super messy, not just because like I was being messy, but because I also needed to clutter and reorganize some drawers. Like things just weren't fitting, and so it was like classic spring cleaning. Oh, the shirt. That's my like go-to sleep shirt that I got at this newspaper I worked in college, but it's honestly gotta go in the trash. I moved those drawers for a second. I don't think I've actually ever done that in the entire time we've lived here. And so they were dusty. Anyways, I ran a few errands. I went to REI because I needed to get insoles and needed to make a return, but they didn't have the insoles in my size, so I just had to order them online. I do like the return system because it's so easy. I do even have the tags on them. I've never been to this plaza. I came for Tissot. I have no idea where it is. No idea. Stairs? I don't know what the heck. I came to Tissot for some organizational and like little travel thingies, but of course I got sidetracked by the stickers, which I withheld. That was like the most overwhelming Tissot visit I've ever done. But I think I got only the things I needed. This place is just really weird. It's kind of creepy. I think that's enough outside for me today. I'm ready to go out. I didn't do much when I got home. I just tidied up this plant, which I have actually treated so badly. I need to repot it. Both of them, they deserve better lives. But that was a weekend in my life. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.